I've been waiting for 10 years for Marvel to call so that I'd have an excuse to get huge. And they're not going to call. Like, that ship sailed. I'm 46. They're not going to call. So I just have to do it for my own amusement. And I gained about 24 pounds.
Here's an uncomfortable fact. As we age, our testosterone levels naturally decline. This can have an impact on everything from our muscle mass to our energy levels and overall health. It's one of the challenges of aging, but it's not insurmountable. In fact, maintaining testosterone levels is one of the best things we can do for our health as we get older. Dax Shepard learned firsthand the benefits of boosting testosterone. The movie star and podcast host wasn't happy with his dad bod physique. He stated that he had been waiting for an excuse to get in shape, but the excuse never came. During the pandemic, while most of us were neglecting our health, Dax finally took charge of his. He started working out and downed a ton of protein shakes. But one key factor helped transform him from, in his words, a medium boy to a big boy, boosting his testosterone levels.
I spent my whole life as a medium boy, and now I'm a big boy, and I like it.
After years of the effects of low testosterone, he'd had enough. So he worked with his doctor to implement TRT, or testosterone replacement therapy. The change for him was tremendous. He gained 24 pounds of muscle, and at the age of 49, has the energy and vigor of someone half his age. However, TRT isn't for everyone, whether it be the cost or desire to avoid pharmaceutical interventions. But all of us could benefit from maintaining or even boosting our T levels as we age. And the good news is, there's several proven methods to do it naturally. No prescriptions needed. Welcome to Fit Over 40, a channel dedicated to powerful health and fitness stories for those of us in our 40s and beyond. Today, we're going to reveal natural methods to boost your testosterone that could give you results similar to Dax Shepard, without resorting to TRT. Are you ready to transform your body and feel like you're in your 20s again? Stay tuned, because we're about to unlock the secrets to naturally supercharging your testosterone levels. Your journey to a stronger, more energetic you starts right now. But first, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date on the latest videos for staying fit over 40.
Taking yourself to your 28-year-old level of testosterone is just fine.
So why is testosterone such a big deal? Well, imagine being able to keep your focus razor sharp, never experience a drop in your energy levels, and feeling like building muscle is effortless. That's the power of optimal testosterone levels. But the bad news is, after age 30, your T levels start to drop, sometimes drastically. Are you feeling the effects already? Testosterone isn't just about bulking up or boosting libido. It's a crucial hormone that affects your entire body's performance, influencing everything from your mood to your metabolism. For starters, it's essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength. You know how some people seem to effortlessly maintain their physique as they age? Chances are they got healthy T levels on their side. Testosterone also plays a key role in bone density, fat distribution, and even red blood cell production, making healthy T levels critical for overall health. As we age, testosterone levels naturally decline. It's like a slow leak in your energy reserves. On average, testosterone levels drop by about 1% per year after age 30. That might not sound like much, but over time, it can add up to significant changes in your body and how you feel. If you're thinking to yourself, well, I'm not feeling any different, my T levels must be fine. Don't get too far ahead of yourself. The symptoms of low testosterone can be subtle at first. You might brush them off as just part of getting older. Fatigue, for example, is a common sign. If you're finding yourself constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep, low testosterone might be the culprit. But it's not just about energy levels. Low testosterone can also lead to a decrease in muscle mass, making it harder to stay in shape. You might notice that despite your best efforts at the gym, you're not seeing the results you used to. And let's not forget about mood. Low testosterone can contribute to feelings of irritability or even depression. Increasingly, men are finding themselves feeling these effects as more and more are diagnosed with low testosterone. So what can you do about it? The key is acknowledging the importance of this hormone for our optimal health and adopting a 3-stage plan to stop the decline in testosterone, maintain our current levels, and then boost them by incorporating specific lifestyle changes for each stage of your journey. We'll dive into natural methods that can help boost your testosterone levels, potentially giving you results similar to what Dax Shepard experienced, without resorting to hormone replacement therapy. Now, the secret to boosting T levels might be simpler than you think, and it could be hiding in your kitchen or gym bag right now. By adopting a few key lifestyle changes, you could be well on your way to an improved mood, energy, and physique without the need for a single prescription. So let's look closer at that 3-stage plan that'll provide the blueprint to gain healthy testosterone levels. The first thing we need to do is stop the decline. You do this by identifying and avoiding the factors that contribute to decreasing testosterone levels. One major culprit: stress. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, which can wreak havoc on your testosterone production. Think of cortisol as testosterone's nemesis. When one goes up, the other tends to go down. So, managing stress isn't just good for your mental health, it's essential for your hormonal balance too. High cortisol levels are also known to diminish our immune response. Whether it's stress at work or in our relationships, it's important to address the root cause of stress in our life in order to stay healthy. After all, you can't be effective at work if you're sick all the time, and our relationships suffer if poor hormonal health is making us moody and irritated. Get honest with yourself and address the root causes before it spirals out of control and affects your health. This may mean talking to your boss about your job responsibilities, or looking for another job that requires less of a commute. And when it comes to stress in relationships, openly and honestly addressing your challenges will benefit the health of both of you in the long run. Another key factor in stopping the decline is being mindful of what you put into your body. Certain foods and chemicals can negatively impact your testosterone levels. Processed foods, excessive alcohol, and environmental toxins can all contribute to hormonal imbalances. By being aware of these factors and making conscious choices, you can help put the brakes on declining testosterone levels. Now, you may find yourself overwhelmed with all the things you eat or drink that might be affecting your T levels, or how the stress in your life is affecting you. But by making one small change at a time, you can begin to see serious transformation in your energy levels. That's a sign that you're stopping the decline. Now let's move on to maintaining your current testosterone levels. The easiest way is to engage in regular physical activity. Resistance training is particularly effective, like a wake-up call for your testosterone production. Think of it like use it or lose it. If we're not using our natural testosterone in regular physical activity, it begins to decline. But when we do physical activity, we spur more of its production to replace what we're using. It's not just about building muscle, it's about signaling to your body that it needs to keep producing this vital hormone. Sleep also plays a key role in maintaining testosterone levels. Think of sleep as your body's nightly maintenance session. It's during these hours of rest that your body regulates hormones, including testosterone. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your body the time it needs to keep your hormonal balance in check. Good sleep is also crucial for healthy cortisol levels, meaning less stress. See how it all starts to work together? Now for the final stage, how to boost your testosterone levels naturally. Let's start with diet. You can fuel testosterone production by eating many of the foods you probably already enjoy. Mix in a few key supplements and you'll work wonders for your hormone health. A balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and specific nutrients like vitamin D and zinc is the secret for boosting testosterone production, giving you the energy you crave. Protein is particularly important as the building block your body needs to produce testosterone and build muscle. Grass-fed beef is one of the best foods you can eat to boost your T levels. A high-quality steak is like a multivitamin in itself. Despite the bad rep fat gets, it's actually one of the most critical factors in healthy hormone production, especially monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids. Start increasing your intake of foods like fatty fish such as salmon and sardines, and also include avocados, a nutritional powerhouse. Zinc also plays a huge role in testosterone production. Supplementation can help, but if you're looking to increase your zinc intake in your diet, consider regularly consuming oysters or clams. We're all very aware of the libido-boosting power of oysters, which may serve as proof of their effectiveness for healthy T levels. And don't forget vitamin D. Regularly getting a healthy dose of vitamin D from sun exposure will help your hormonal health a ton. If you're not getting enough sun exposure, consider a high-quality vitamin D supplement. And if you really want to give testosterone production an extra boost, consider other supplements that have been shown to help. One that comes up a lot is ashwagandha. This herb has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and recent studies suggest it may help increase testosterone levels, especially in men with lower levels of the hormone. However, it's important to remember that supplements should complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. And that's where things get really exciting. As you implement these changes, you'll likely notice that you're able to handle the increased physical activity, have better mood and focus, and overall just feel better.
More than I like what it does to me physically, mentally, I love it because it makes me far more on fire to be alive.
You'll no longer be looking for a quick fix, but will want to fully embrace this lifestyle change, creating a positive feedback loop that can lead to even greater benefits. But here's the key. Consistency is crucial. These natural methods can be highly effective, but only if you stick with them. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Think of it as compound interest for your health. Small investments now lead to big payoffs down the road. Now, you might be wondering how these natural methods stack up against the testosterone replacement therapy Dax Shepard used. While TRT can certainly be effective, it's not without risks and requires ongoing medical supervision. The natural methods we discussed today offer a way to support your body's own testosterone production without the potential side effects or complications of hormone therapy. But most of all, we want to change the direction of our lives before we get to a point where we require such a drastic intervention like TRT. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. So, now you have the tools to boost your testosterone naturally. Remember, small consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your energy, mental clarity, and physical health. Your journey to peak performance starts with simple lifestyle adjustments. Cut out the bad foods and toxins that are affecting your testosterone levels and start incorporating healthy, natural foods, which will boost your testosterone and lead to overall better health. Combine this with regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep, and you're setting yourself up for success. It's time to take control of your hormone health and unlock your body's full potential. Whether you're looking to build muscle, increase energy, or simply feel your best, optimizing your testosterone levels can help you achieve your goals. Are you ready to start your transformation? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Fit Over 40 for more tips and inspiration to help you achieve your fitness and health goals. Stay fit, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.